At TripAdvisor, we know that in order for a review to be truly useful, it has to be, well, true. Which is why we work so hard behind the scenes to ensure reviews are genuine. See, before being posted, every review goes through a series of electronic checks and in-depth analysis. This is to make sure reviews are unbiased, family-friendly, and based on a recent experience, as well as a bunch of other characteristics that really useful reviews have in common. These checks look at hundreds of pieces of online information that we gather about every review, and they determine which of three paths it's going to follow. Most reviews make it through the system without a problem and get posted. Some are clearly in violation of our policies and are rejected. And then there are reviews somewhere in the middle, where something suspicious is discovered and warrants a closer look. Suspicious reviews usually fall into one of three categories. They either look like something called review boosting, where businesses try to unfairly boost their reviews, what we call review vandalism, where someone tries to slander a business with negative reviews, or review optimization, where optimization companies are paid to falsify reviews on a business's behalf. The good news is, we have ways to catch and stop all three. See, our technology is so smart it can actually map all sorts of electronic data that helps show where every review comes from, like IP addresses, device specifications, and loads more. And we've taken sophisticated techniques that banks use to detect fraud and adapted them to look for patterns among all of our data. Over the years, we've learned what a map of normal and trustworthy review activity looks like. So, when something dishonest like boosting, vandalism, or optimization is attempted, we can recognize it. But once we recognize it, then what? Well, all this technology, it's just part of it. We've also got a team of hundreds of specialists working 24/7. These are real people doing real work, many trained in networks forensics and fraud detection, who personally investigate situations as they arise and can make determinations on the integrity of reviews. And if, at any point, something slips through the cracks, anyone can flag a review and request an investigation. Like in this example, where a business is offering customers incentives to write positive reviews. A customer flags a review and our team springs into action to investigate. Using our technology, they establish that the review is biased and remove it. But they also identify incoming reviews that follow a similar pattern and prevent those from being published too. And they warn the business owner there are penalties should this continue. It works. The suspicious reviews stop and are quickly replaced by unbiased reviews from genuine customers. Why do we do all this? Because when reviews are honest and useful, businesses can compete on a level playing field, and travelers get the insights they need to enjoy the perfect trip every trip.